should be up. So same thing we should repeat. And here when we are making the small dash, it should be in a uniform and in a continuous interval. So this running stitch normally we can see for the connecting of the some fabric. So here you know that in machine embroidery or in machine stitching we will connect the two fabric together. So for this running stitch in the machine center using to connect the two fabric, and here in the embroidery this running stitch it is mainly used for the decorative purpose, that is mainly in the sashiko embroidery. So if you are checking in my channel, the first set of one embroidery long video sashiko embroidery is there I use the specific running stitch for the decorative purpose. So let's start our embroidery. So this is an embroidery thread, it's pink in color. It is pink in color and it is a 4 strands of embroidery thread. So here pass the threaded through the 2 strands and make it as a 4 strands of thread for doing the running stitch. So here we are passing the needle and thread in and out. So here you can see it is pricked from the downside of the fabric. Hope it is visible. From the downside of the fabric we should move up, then pull it down. The same distance should be, keep it full. So the next set we should move a little front from the down, and we should pick the same length upside. So this same pattern we should continue in a straight line. So here in India, here we are using the same stitch, that is kantha stitch, that is for the preserving of the old cloth. So here the stitches and the underside also in the same uniform continuous manner. It is used for in embroidery, it is used as a sashiko, and in sieving it is used as a quilting and gathering of the material. So this running stitch, there is a history in the running stitch, there is a history that previously in running stitch it is mainly used to preserve the cloth. It is mainly doing in the old cotton fabric. If it is getting older, we are collecting this type of cotton fabric and make it as a new material while doing this type of embroidery design using the running stitch. So here in the running stitch, here we can make the design for the simple straight line, or they can use this running stitch for making the letters, or doing the designs or quilting the old materials, old cotton materials.